Yo, what's up? Welcome back to another video following the previous video, which was just uploaded, but this is pretty important in my opinion. So I was browsing through Twitter and I just saw that FantomStarter finally announced that you can claim your free first come first serve FantomPass NFT that I made a video about around 3 weeks ago, and you have to be fast. So when you hit this link, it will redirect you to the Medium post that has all the information that I'm gonna tell you right now. I'll link this down below. I will also link down the price chart. So basically, head over to FantomStarter, their official website, log in with your wallet, etc. Then you will see a new tab on the top right which says rewards. Click on it, and then you have time until the 1st of December to claim, if you are eligible for it, to claim your first come first serve FantomPass NFT. Claim it. Then you have two options. So either until tomorrow, so you really have to hurry with this. Until tomorrow you can burn this NFT and get 700 FantomStarter tokens for free. That's option 1. If we calculate 700 with the current price at around 14 cents, right, get $100 for free right now, or claim this NFT and keep it. Just keep it for forever, I guess, because this NFT will also give you, if you hold it and don't redeem it for the airdrop, if you take the airdrop, it will burn your NFT and you will only be left with the tokens. If you hold the NFT, you will be eligible to participate in upcoming first come first serve pools, and those will slowly appear with missing investment money on already published projects. For example, MoraDAO public sale didn't reach its cap of $150,000 and is $6,500 short. So $6,500 will still be invested into this by FantomStarter creating a new pool here, basically, with MoraDAO and this cap of 6,500, and only people with this NFT, the first come first serve NFT, will be eligible to participate in the first come first serve pool, I guess, and that way you can grab some pre-sale price tokens, right? Even without having to stake these crazy amounts of FantomStarter tokens. So that's a cool thing that they added these two options. By doing this, they also, which is really, this is genius, they also reduced the dumping effect of this free airdrop, because I believe it's 3 million tokens or something. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, decide for yourself if it makes sense for you to hold and potentially get pre-sale tokens from the first come first serve pools, or if you think it's worth to just tune it in for the 700 tokens and then do whatever you want with them. Up to you. And that's the end of this video. I will see you very soon. Don't forget to claim this. Peace out.